Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're taking a close look at what we're calling the best rolling 30-inch travel duffel on the market. The TPRC Sierra Madre 2 upright rolling duffel bag in black and gray. Whether you're a frequent traveler, weekend warrior, or someone who just wants a reliable travel companion, this bag might be exactly what you've been searching for. This 30-inch duffel bag is part of the TPRC Sierra Madre travel collection and is designed with both practicality and mobility in mind. Right off the bat, its dimensions are 30 inches in length, 15 inches in height, and 14 inches wide, giving you an impressive 103.2 liters of packing capacity. That's more than enough room for a week's worth of clothes, shoes, and gear. The bag weighs just 5.6 pounds, so you're not wasting precious weight allowance on the bag itself. It's made for those who value spacious storage without compromising on ease of movement. Let's talk design. The black and gray exterior is sleek and subtle, perfect for both business and leisure travel. What makes this duffel stand out is its large U-shaped zippered top opening. It allows for easy access and effortless packing, so you won't be wrestling with the bag when it's time to hit the road or unpack. There are additional zippered side pockets that give you quick access to smaller essentials like toiletries, gadgets, chargers, or travel documents. These pockets also help keep your items organized, especially if you're traveling on a tight schedule. Of course, what really puts this duffel into the top tier is its inline skate wheels. These wheels are built for smooth rolling across airports, sidewalks, and hotel lobbies. Combined with the upright rolling design, you'll be navigating crowded terminals with minimal effort. The materials used here are tough enough for repeated use. Whether you're tossing it into a car trunk, checking it into baggage, or dragging it through cobbled streets, the TPRC Sierra Madre 2 is built to last. The zippers feel durable, the stitching is solid, and the handles have a comfortable grip. There's a reinforced telescoping handle that extends and retracts smoothly, making it easy to switch from pulling to lifting. It's a detail that adds a lot of value during longer transits or when switching between transport modes. With a price point that offers great value for its size and build, the TPRC Sierra Madre 2 upright rolling duffel bag is a no-brainer for anyone looking to invest in reliable travel gear. It's available in multiple sizes, but the 30-inch model hits the sweet spot between capacity and convenience. So, if you're in the market for a travel duffel that rolls like a suitcase, packs like a champ, and doesn't break the bank, this could be the one. That wraps up today's review on Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want us to test more travel gear. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next one.